everybody, Renee here. Today I have for you part of the Sweet Girl Deluxe scrapbooking workshop. This workshop has a lot going on, so I'm going to split this into 3 videos. We're going to make page 2, layout 2, it has a 2-page layout. Then we're going to make page or project 3, which is a 2-page layout. And then for my final video, I'm going to make project 1 and project 4. Each one of those are single page layouts. Some of the fun things that come in this deluxe workshop is you do get a exclusive stamp set that is only for this workshop, and really has a lot of neat sentiments and a lot of things I can see using on cards as well. So I've already done all of my stamping. I do have some fussy cutting to do. I figured I'd do that on camera so you can see how I do that. And then you also get 10 yards of mink twine. It's a really pretty color. And then you get a package of 100 sparkles, which is our bling, really small. They're really good for cards because they're very thin, so they don't cause too much trouble when you're mailing things. You will need, that does not come included in the kit, you will need some ink. It calls for heather and sapphire, but if you have another ink that's close to that, just kind of try to match it with your paper. You'll be fine. And so what I'll do is I will just go ahead and make sure the camera's rolling, put on some music for you, and you can watch how many mistakes I make. Maybe we should do a drinking game. For every mistake, you take a drink. Your choice of drink. So enjoy, and I'll be back at the end to talk about the kit itself. Okay, so here it is. This is how it will be. Let me do the pages a little bit. This is how it'll be when you put it in your photo album. So you do want to make sure that you're using page protectors that are opposite each other. And the other thing I forgot to tell you is in the kit is you get these flip flaps. Now flip flaps, if you haven't used them before, they're really simple to use. They're just sticky backed and they come in all different sizes. And what I do to get them lined up right is I just line them up over the picture they're going to be on top of, and I just stand up and look at it straight down. So what this allows you to do is put a whole bunch more pictures on a layout, which I find to be very time and cost effective, because I don't have to create, like this will hold 8 pictures plus a bunch of spots for journaling that you could actually turn into more pictures. So you could theoretically get 12 pictures onto this layout, and you could even put 2 more pictures here to make 14 if you didn't want any journaling. This is actually a really neat layout called Me Today, and it has a Q&A. So I think it will really lend itself well to a lot of journaling. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those spots as they are and then think about what I'm going to put on this layout. But it turned out really cute. It went way faster than I thought it would. My time recording right now, even with the introduction and all the talking and fussy cutting the other things and doing the other things I needed to do, was only 33 minutes. So that was really fast. Now I did cut all the papers ahead of time, which probably took me about 10 minutes for this page. So theoretically in 45 minutes, you could have a full 2-page layout that held up to 12 pictures. The way I have it sitting now, it's holding 8 pictures. So I hope you like this, and I will put together the other projects. I'll probably post those in the next few days, so you can see all the different projects that go with this particular kit. If you have any questions, just leave those down for me below, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like this video, hit the like button so that I know that these are the type of videos that I should be working on. They're the ones you like, the process videos. I like watching process videos, but maybe not everybody does. So have a great day and leave me any questions. Thanks. Bye-bye.